Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change Trust Wallet recovery phrase. First of all you have to do is open your Trust Wallet application on your phone, and all you have to do is click on the settings on the bottom right corner. From here you have to select wallets. Click on wallets. From here you will see all of your wallets. If you have multiple wallets, you will see all of your wallets in this page. So you have to click on the three dotted menu button in front of the wallet that you want to change the recovery phrase. From here a new page will open. All I have to do is click on manual backup. Click on it. It may ask you for a password. My screen is black because my screen recorder is not allowing me to record my recovery phrase. So select the option called recovery phrase. From here you will see all of your recovery phrases. So all you have to do is save your recovery phrases in somewhere safe. You can write it down on a piece of paper, and that's how you can change the Trust Wallet recovery phrase. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.